How to write essays in exams, tips and tricks. Welcome to this video where we will discuss some tips and tricks on how to write essays in exams. Essay writing is an essential part of any academic exam, and it can be quite challenging to write a coherent and comprehensive essay in a limited amount of time. However, with the right approach and some practical strategies, you can learn how to write a great essay in exams. So let's get started. Step 1. Understand the subject matter, prompt. The first and most essential step in writing an essay in an exam is to understand the prompt. You need to read the prompt carefully and identify the key points and requirements. Make sure you understand what you are being asked to do and the scope of the essay. Highlight the keywords and take some time to think about what you want to say before you start writing. Step 2. Plan your essay. Once you understand the subject matter, essay topic, the next step is to plan your essay. Planning helps you organize your thoughts and ideas and ensures that your essay is coherent and focused. You can start by creating an outline or a mind map. Decide on the main points you want to make and the supporting evidence you will use to back them up. Step 3. Write the introduction. The introduction is an essential part of your essay, and it sets the tone for the rest of the paper. You need to make sure that your introduction is engaging and hooks the reader's attention. State your thesis statement clearly and concisely, and provide a brief overview of the main points you will discuss in your essay. Step 4. Write the body. The body of your essay should contain the main arguments or ideas that support your thesis statement. Each paragraph should focus on a single idea and should be well supported with evidence and examples. Use transitional phrases to link your ideas and create a smooth flow between paragraphs. Step 5. Write the conclusion. The conclusion is the final part of your essay, and it should summarize your main points and restate your thesis statement. Make sure that your conclusion is concise and leaves a lasting impression on the reader. You can also provide some final thoughts or recommendations related to the topic. Writing an essay in exams can be challenging, but with the right approach and some practical tips, you can learn how to write a great essay under pressure. Remember to understand the prompt, plan your essay, write a clear introduction and conclusion. With these strategies, you can improve your essay writing skills and succeed in your academic exams. Thank you for watching. For more videos in any topic, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the